And welcome back to the channel. This is December Daily 2024. Today I'm working on day 13. So I have pulled a photo of Tucker from last year and a photo from this year, and just talking a little bit about, we got him around Christmas last year. I pulled some stickers from my 2 sticker books, the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge, and Simple Vintage Dear Santa. And yeah, did my journaling. So I will put you on fast forward while I finish this one up. This ended up being one of my shorter December daily videos, and I'm quite happy. I know I'm probably not going to be done by the time December 31st comes, but that's okay. I haven't yet decided if I'm going to go just until December 25th or if I'm going to go all the way to December 31st. We shall see. So you'll see I'm just kind of picking and choosing what's going to go where. Yeah, this was a very quick layout. And as I'm looking at this video, I'm thinking maybe next year I may look at getting the Simple Vintage Dear Santa collection papers, because these went so well together. I'm very impressed. So we'll see if any good sales pop up. I know I've missed most of the Boxing Day sales, so that's okay. I like to buy my December products midsummer, and do like a Christmas in July purchase, because I also buy my albums for December Daily and the upcoming year. So sorry if you can hear, hubby is just making breakfast. He's making us oatmeal. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what stickers are going to go where. Can't believe how long my hair was in this photo. And for most of you, that's not long hair at all, but for me, it very much is. Wow, there's a lot of stirring going on in the background. Apologies, friends. So I'm just looking for something to go across that 4x6 bottom photo. And in the end, I settle on a piece of, it looks like washi tape. So I grab a little piece of that and just throw it on the bottom to give it a little bit more of an anchor for the number. And I think I put another sticker on that one too. I think I put the holly sticker there above Tucker's little head. Yeah, and this was very quick. Again, a lot of the prep work was the journaling and photo printing, but that's okay. It probably still came together in under 20 minutes with those 2 things. So fight with my glue, because of course I do. Yeah, I'm looking forward to packing away my Christmas stuff, because the Christmas crafting has taken over my craft room for sure. Parts of the basement also, because we have like a little workshop downstairs. So it'll be good to get this done and pack all the Christmas stuff away. Looks like I'm back to you live in a moment. So day 13, all done. And that one came together in under 5 minutes as I'm looking at the clock on my camera. So as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.